Hi friends, we'll welcome you to our YouTube channel GST with Tax Marvel, wherein we are discussing various issues on GST. And before we proceed, we request you to like and share our videos and subscribe our channel. So today we have got you an important update on the provision whereby refund is allowed in certain cases in case the contract is cancelled or the advance has to be refunded back to the customer. So there has been a recent notification around this where government has allowed refund of tax uh, paid under GST in case the contract is cancelled by customer or the entire advance is refunded in case of supply of service. So we'll see in detail how this provision is applicable and the finer points around that. So there is one more circular issued on 13th April, and there is a chance that in COVID scenario we have got an advance or a contract is received and suddenly the contract is cancelled. Because of this outbreak of COVID, the contract might get cancelled. So in case of service, if I have received the advance, remember friends, GST payment on advance for goods is waived from 15 November 2017. But GST on receipt of advance in case of service is still applicable. So there is a possibility that before COVID, to make a supply of service, I have received an advance. Once I received an advance, in the subsequent month, I have paid the GST on advance. And then the COVID got outbreak, and the client said, I don't want this service, return my advance. So I have to return the advance. What will happen to the GST paid on that advance? So if I have issued a tax invoice before the supply of service and the contract is cancelled, I can issue a credit note for reduction of tax liability which can be adjusted subsequently. If that adjustment is not possible, the amount is huge, and I know I can foresee that within next 12 months or 18 months or whatever period I cannot adjust this liability, then I can claim the refund. So excess payment of tax under the head, I can claim refund. I have received the advance, but I have not issued your tax invoice. I have issued only receipt voucher. So if you all remember section 31, it talks about documentation under GST. It talks about receipt voucher. So on receipt of advance, the entity will issue, the receiving entity will issue a receipt voucher. So if I have issued a receipt voucher and the contract is cancelled, I have not supplied any service, I have not issued any tax invoice. In that case, I'll issue a refund voucher credit note and I'll claim refund, right? In case of goods, I have issued a tax invoice, the goods are sent to the customer. And it is a practical, I have seen to most of my clients that has happened, that the customer said, we don't foresee any production now, so take your raw material back. So in case the raw material is received back by us, what will you do? We can issue a credit note for reduction of tax liability. If the adjustment is not possible again, you can claim refund of excess payment of tax, right? So refund type will be excess payment of tax. So this is also one hit that most of the MSME or most of the sectors, almost everyone got hit. That I have supplied and the customer is saying, I cannot pay you. Either you take the goods back or I'll pay you. Thank you for watching our video, and we hope that you enjoyed this learning series GST with Tax Marvel. And don't forget to share, like and subscribe our videos, and do also tell your friends or colleagues who want to make their career in GST or want to get updated on GST aspects. Thank you friends. Thank you.